Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Garri to roast your peanuts. Very easy, and you don't have to use sand every time, right? So if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you. The first thing you want to do is add in some salt into your peanut, then hot water. You leave that for about 15 minutes to allow the salt penetrate into the groundnut and to wash off the dirt in the groundnut. Then you're just going to sieve that off and set that aside. Pour in the peanuts into the tray and you let the peanuts sit for about 15 minutes to dry the water on the body of the peanuts. Then you add in your garri to your pan. You add in enough garri and then pour in your peanuts inside the pan. You toast that for about 25 minutes on medium heat. You just continue to stir and stir and stir and stir. Make sure you have phone while at it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please, I'm begging you, subscribe. Your subscription give me a sense of I am doing something right and it means a lot to me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and leave your suggestion in the comment section. I would love to see it. So guys, after 25 minutes on medium heat, our peanuts should be ready. Sieve off the garri. Trust me, you can use the garri next time when you want to make another batch of peanuts, and you're just going to pour your granules in a tray and try to use your hand to rub off the back of it. Trust me, this method is easy and it is efficient. You don't have to use sand every time and you will still get a very good peanut. So what is peanut without soaking garri in cold water? You can use this peanut for whatever you want to use it for and it tasted so good. If you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I would love to get your feedbacks. Until next time, bye.